Anytime you have the same number over the same number, it will equal 1. No matter how big that number is. 4 over 4, it reduces, it equals 1. Let's say if I have 100 over 100. When I reduce it, it equals 1. When I simplify it, I'm sorry. Same thing, say if I have 1,000,000 over 1,000,000. My answer, once I simplify it, will still be 1. Alright, now let's do a subtraction problem with different denominators. Let's do 17 over 4 minus, let's go, let's just do 3 over 8. Alright, so my denominators on in this problem are 4 and 8. So I need to find the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, we can stop there. I need to find my multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24. The first number that both of these numbers have in common is, oh, sorry about that, is 8. This fraction already has 8 as its denominator, sorry, getting a little nervous. You guys know I don't like being on camera, but it's for you. So this one we do not have to worry about changing. This one has, oh man, it's really starting to come out. Denominator, 4, so must find the least common multiple of 8. 4 times 2, I know will give me 8. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 17 times 2 will be what, 34? So now this 17 over 4 is really 34 over 8. Subtract 3 minus 8 will leave me with the answer of 31 over, what just happened? Over 8. If I wanted to simplify that, I know 8 goes into 31. I need some space, sorry. I know 8 goes into 31 2 times, and that will be, no, it goes into it 3 times, I'm sorry. I apologize. I know it goes into it 3 times, and that would be 24, so what I can do is just do minus 24 right there. 31 minus 24 will leave me with 7, so my numerator would be 7, and the denominator would be 8. So my answer, if I was to simplify this, would be 3 and 7/8. Let's do another example, boys and girls. Let's do 20 over what? Over 5, and let's do minus 4 over 15. Alright, so my denominators are different, so I need to find the least common multiple for 5 and 15. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. Multiples of 15, 15, 30, 45. First number that both of them have is 15. As you see in this part, in this fraction, the denominator is already 15. Oh, so sorry about that. Boom, we're good. The denominator is already 15, so I do not have to worry about this. This one I do have to change. 5 times what will give me 15? It will be 3, so 5 times 3 is 15. Whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 20 times 3 will equal 60. Just gonna put that in there. So now this would be 60 over 15. Subtract 4 over 15. 60 minus 4 is, what is that, ladies and gentlemen? 56. So my answer is 56 over 15. If I wanted to simplify this and turn it into a mixed number, I would ask myself, go away. Okay. I would ask myself, how many times can 15 go into 56 without going over? I know on the top of my head that would be 3. That will equal 45, so I can put minus 45 right here. 56 minus 45, what is that, ladies and gentlemen? 19, correct? 50, 5, 16, 5 and 16, no, 21. So that'd be, oh no, so I'm sorry, I apologize, wait. No, it's 9. Oh, where was I going with that? No, it's not 9, it's 11. I apologize once again. 56 minus 45 equals 11. So that my numerator would be 11, and the denominator stays the same, which would be 15. So after I simplify that, that would be 3 and 11/15. Boys and girls, it's really important that you guys know how to do math, especially during YAC, because some of you guys hand me a $20 bill and don't really know how much change you're supposed to get back. I never cheat you though. I'm gonna give you back your change, but you should know how much money you're giving me. So boys and girls, I'll catch you next time.